Sangihe. The archipelago Regency of Sangihe, located in North Sulawesi Province, Republic of Indonesia. From any airport, fly to Samratulangi International Airport of Manado in North Sulawesi Province. 3 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, Wings Air fly to Naha Airport in Tahuna, the capital city of Sangihe, or daily inter-island vessel ferry from Manado to Tahuna, and vice versa. 10 hours ferry leaving seaport at 7 o'clock in the evening and arrive 5 o'clock early morning. There are more than 20 dive sites around Sangihe Island and many more to be discovered. When an underwater volcano in Mahangetang Island makes your dreams come true. Yes, there is a volcano under the water that you may climb down. Pintu Kota means city gate of Sangihe, with a landmark of an antique lighthouse, a symbol of Sangihe maritime history. Wonderful landscape welcome you to an archipelago of Sangihe. The marine tourism most attraction in Sangihe is scuba diving. Start from Tahuna Seaport in the front of Old City Landmark, a lighthouse. The Japanese cargo vessel sank in early 14. The 52 meters long of shipwreck full of beautiful coral growing and tropical fish. Kendahe village was a famous kingdom in the past. The king of Kendahe has a beautiful wife and many mistresses. Yet, he raped his own daughter, got angry, and cursed him. Kendahe kingdom submerged the Blue Ocean. You may discover evidence artifact of stone wall building. Mahangetang underwater volcano, a rare opportunity for divers to climb down an underwater volcano and dive the warm ocean water 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. Nearby Mahangetang underwater volcano, an island named Para, surfaces from a soft white sand. Snorkel and diver will enjoy the beauty of the underwater view, such as giant barracuda to friendly animal fish. You may rest and sunbathe in this wonderful island. Sail back to Sangihe. Visit the Kupang Island. Healthy fan coral and tropical fish will amaze you. Near Tahuna, a lesser coast has 2 antique anchors. Coral growth turns this antique anchor into an attractive snorkeling and diving site. The 2 anchor is in shallow water, and Reef Bennett Lesser Coast will satisfy underwater photographers and videographers. Bank Darat and Bank Laut are 2 of another good area for snorkeling and diving. Coral reef full of tropical fish stun your visit. Babelan has a long reef. Therefore, you may start your diving from any point depending on present current, and end your dive in the front of this wonderful beach view. The underwater view of Tanjung Bolong has an interesting from schooling fish and healthy coral. The shine orange color of this island makes people name this after Batu Derang, means shine stone. Batu Derang will take you to a display area of table coral. Acropora in the snorkeling and dive site is amazingly healthy, home for tropical fish. Not far from Tahuna City, a beach of Kolongan is a good area for snorkeling. Surprise! Below the snorkeling view of Kolongan Cliff, there are underwater caves, the most of the 2 caves decorated by soft corals. Welcome to Sangihe, and you will complete your diving experience to see the wonder of nature attraction. God bless Sangihe Regency. Hotel Nasional, one among 15 home fields hotels, serve traditional food such local and Chinese seafood.